Hello, my name is Jochen Forsthövel. I want to tell you today a little bit about a new product of Krones that we have in our family. We started with recycling a long time ago. I think 2002 was the start of the development, and in the last years we have completely closed our value chain. That means we are also offering solutions for preform manufacturing. In 2018 we have acquired the company MHT, high quality preform mold maker, and after that we have integrated the company IPS, and in the last year we have integrated the company Netstal, what is a well-known injection molding machine maker from Switzerland. Now you might think, why does a Krones product manager tell you about this? Because these are independent companies, and I can tell you they stay independent companies. But for our beverage customers, we have a Krones branded product that is installed by Krones, serviced by Krones, and after-sales service by Krones. We have even the spare parts, the spare part numbers in the Krones system. That means for our customers, it's a Krones machine, although the basic machine is Swiss-made and the preform mold is coming from Germany, from MHT. The product name of our preform solution is Prefero, and we have not only this high-quality preform system that we can offer the market, but we also have additionally a soft link system that completely integrates the preform manufacturing in the beverage line. This product is called Prenexo, and it is the link between the preform production and the beverage line. So we have, for customers for whom that is interesting, a fully integrated beverage line. In case you have more interest in these solutions of ours, please feel free to contact me or our sales team, and we are happy to tell you more. Thank you.